Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today this video lecture we're going to be solving this problem, longest substring without repeating characters. So basically in this problem we're given a string s and we have to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So what does that mean? That means we have a string like this. Let's say take this string. We want to return the longest substring without repeating characters, means the substring must have unique characters in it. Like here in this case, ABC substring has unique characters, ABC has unique characters, CAB has unique characters, and this is the longest substring, because we can see that if I start from the first character ABCA, I can't take this. If I start from the second character BCAB, no, 3, because in the substring of length 3 I have the non-repeating characters. So if I start from the third character, I have CABC, so that means again a substring of length 3 with unique characters. Start from fourth, ABCB, again B is repeating. Start from fifth, BCB, again B is repeating. So ABC is the answer, so the answer is 3. So how we're going to solve this problem? Let's see that. So to solve this problem, what we will be using is, we'll be using two pointer approach. So we keep a pointer, left pointer at the first index. We also keep the right pointer at the same index. So keep a right pointer over here, RIGHT, and let's move this right pointer towards right, and we keep counting the frequency of each character in a hash map or an array. Why? What is the intuition to solve this problem? All we want to do is, we want to make sure that we want to count the frequency of each character. We want to record it such that whenever a repeating character appears, we can find the length, right? Let's say how. So here in this case, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start from the right pointer. The right pointer will move to the right direction. Okay, so this is my array. So I will take an array which covers all the alphabets of all the characters which can be possible in the string. So we can see that the string can contain English letters, digits, symbols and spaces. So the array will be of length 258, right? So let's see how we can do that. So this is A, small a, then we'll have B, then we'll have C, then we'll have D, and so on. So let's record the frequency of A. So let's put 1 here. Let's move to the second character, B. Let's record the frequency of B. Move to the third character. Let's record its frequency. Let's move again to the fourth character. We have A again. Now, I can see that A already have 1 in it. That means we have a repeating character. Fine. So right is at this character, right is over here, R is over here. So what I'm going to do is, this R minus this left is the length of the current substring which contains non-repeating characters, and that would be 3, because this is index 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 0 is 3. So at this point the answer is 3. And now I will keep moving my left pointer. I will keep moving my left pointer until the frequency of character A becomes 0, because in the current window I just want to keep the unique character. That's the purpose. What I want to do is, I want to keep the unique character on the current window, right? So on the current window I have unique characters A, B, C. Let's move the left pointer towards right and decrement the frequency of the characters which I am leaving out of the window. So I am leaving this character A, so decrement the frequency of this A, it becomes 0. So I am at this window. Let's move the right pointer again by one step. So B, record the frequency of B by 1, so it becomes 2. Again move this. Okay, we can see that B is repeating. So B is repeating. Left is here, right is here. Since B is repeating, what I can do is, I will again record the length. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 is again 3. So I don't have to update the answer, it is still 3. Let's move the pointer R again towards left. So let's move R to the next point, to the next index, which is this one, which is C. So we can see that C already have 1 here. That means this C has been seen before. Fine. But before that I have to move the left towards right such that the frequency of B becomes 0, because I want to exclude this B out of the current window, right? A B, so it's A B C A B, right? So let's move the current window. The current window is over here. The left pointer is here. So this is 0 1 2 3 4, and what I want to do is, when the right pointer moves to this character at this point, I find that C is already there. Since C is already there, I will just find the length of the current window. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 minus 0 1 2 is 3. It's again 3. So I don't have to update the answer. Let's move the right pointer again by 1. So now I am here. The right pointer is at this point, which is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, at the 6th index, right? So let's increment the frequency here. So we can see that B is already here in the current window, right? B is already here. The current window is this A B C, and B is already there. That means I cannot include it. So again, find right minus left. So right minus left is again 3. Fine. Let's move the left pointer until we do not encounter B any longer in the current window. So let's move the left pointer towards right. So I will move the left pointer till this point, because when I move the left pointer till this point, I am excluding this B. So the window has C B only. Now let's move the left pointer again by 1 towards right. I encounter B and I can see that B already have a frequency of 1. That means I cannot include the current character into the window, right? So that means again find the current window length. It would be 2, because this is the current window which contains CB. So 2 is not less than 3, 2 is not greater than 3, so the answer will still be 3. So the final answer which I have is 3. That means the longest window of the substring or the substring can contain at most 3 unique characters, and that's my answer. Fine. So I hope you got the idea how we solve this problem. Let's jump to the code implementation part. So all we have to do is create a vector frequency f of size 258, initialize it with 0, iterate over the string s, take 2 pointers, take a left pointer, initialize it to 0, take a right pointer, initialize it with 0, and move this right pointer okay. Now after that, if the frequency of the current character is there, if it is non-zero, then what we have to do is we have to update the answer. So let's take the answer variable as well, initialize it with 0. So update the answer with max of answer right minus left, right? And after that also have to, since this character, the current character at the right position is already there, what I have to do is I have to move the left pointer towards right, move the left pointer till the right until I no longer have the frequency of this character to be 0, to be non-zero, right? So if f left is non-zero, if this current if it's still there, then and So this is f, this is there. if if f right, if f s right is still there, if the frequency of the current character is still there, if it is still in the window, simply fs of left, simply decrease the window from the left side and move the left pointer towards right. Finally, increment the frequency of the current window by 1 and move this pointer by 1, right? So in this fashion I have to move my right pointer, right? So otherwise, if it is not the case, what I have to do is just record the frequency of the current character and move on. Finally, update the answer, max of answer, right minus left, and at the end return this answer. Let's run this code. Okay, there is an error here. Okay, let's try to submit it. So that got accepted. So this was a easy problem. So that's all for this video. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.